Welcome to Bollywood Bubble. Of course, you guys are not here, but then eventually this is how life has started to be like. Tell me, how does it feel to start working again and do these interviews, and how's life?
Well, life is good. It's nice to resume your daily chores and kind of come back to shooting and going to the sets and shooting like this. So yes, life is going to the new normal also, and looking forward for coming back to work and resuming life the way it used to be. So dhire with all the precautions and stuff, we are also going, and it is a little scary also at times, but I think we need to get out of this mode as well, take precautions, and I think we'll be out of it soon.
You tell me, Ihana.
Yeah, it's I think it's very good to be back on sets. I have been missing sets like anything. It's been so many months. Yes, we have to take proper precautions, but things are getting better, which is very cool. Things are getting better. Life is getting back to normal, and let's see. Hopefully, finger crossed. Soon, everything will be completely normal. So we are very happy to be back on set, and we are trying to take all the precautions and do as much we can. So yeah.
और पंजाब जहाँ हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे, मुझे तो लग ही नहीं रहा था कि वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा कोरोना नाम की चीज भी है.
हाँ जी.
Because people are there so carefree, and we had to tell people कि भैया मास्क पहन लो.
Punjabis after all.
पंजाबियों को कोरोना कहाँ होता है? कोरोना तो पंजाबी हो सकता है.
नहीं, कोरोना वो क्या होता है? कोरोना अमान कुछ नहीं होता सानू. It's like that. कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
सर आपको तुम पैक लगाइए. Thanks for holding it.
Okay, I'm going to second that because I'm a Punjabi as well. So I agree to what you say. Okay, coming to the point that why we're meeting here. Bewafa Tera Masoom Chehra. अब ये लाइन सुन के हर इंसान एक चेहरा तो इमेजिन कर ही लेता है अपने माइंड पे. So yes.
That's the chehra that we have officially.
Official हो गया ये.
8.5 million views, and everybody is confirmed that she is the Bewafa Chehra. Bewafa Masoom Chehra.
So when did your shoot for Bewafa Tera Masoom Chehra?
Last month, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th of October, when we were shooting in Chandigarh, around Chandigarh actually.
Around Chandigarh.
So we shot in a Haveli that was about 300 years old. We shot in a fort which was...
it's in Haryana.
Sheikh Chili.
Sheikh Chili, it was in Haryana.
Yeah. And then we shot in Kurukshetra. So that was Kurukshetra only actually. That was Kurukshetra. So then we shot in Chandigarh the third day as well. So it was nice. सुबह 4 बजे उठ के
every day 2-2 घंटे का travel करना, सब लोग पहुंच रहे हैं. So 3 दिन का shoot था. It was, traveling part was very difficult, but otherwise I think overall shoot was fun. We really enjoyed shooting, and whole team was amazing. Navjeet, our director, he's also amazing, and then of course Karan is there, and he's so down to earth and so chilled out. So it was very easy to work with Karan. And then Jubin ka gana, so we all were very excited. He has all these beautiful songs. So how can we miss that? So we were really enjoying shooting. So we were enjoying each and every moment. So we have amazing memories from shooting.
So I think the entire the packaging of T-Series doing this, and Navjeet directing it, and Jubin singing it, and then us in it. I think वो combination ही बहुत अच्छा एक मिल गया है. And जब हम लोग shoot भी कर रहे थे, तो of course बहुत मस्ती हो रही थी. Shoot का तो पता ही नहीं चला कि कब क्या हो रही है shoot exactly. Because with Ihana you can never be serious on set. So I think it was amazing. And हंसते खेलते वो time निकल ही गया. और कितना हंसती है ये. It's such a nice thing actually, and the atmosphere also gets so nice when you have when people are working as a unit, and there's no kind of apprehension कि okay ये कोई बड़ा actor है, या फिर ये कोई ऐसे react कर रहा है, या फिर somebody's trying to behave in a certain way. So with us, everybody was so down to earth, and we were also so down to earth doing our stuff, and professionally बहुत अच्छे से काम भी हो रहा था. So तभी वो product आज जो लोगों को देखने को मिला है, I think it's come out very well. So I'm very glad about that fact.
Also, apart from questioning, I'm also going to be saying thank you from the audiences, because every time there's a release that comes out, if you go through the comment section, people are always opinionative, and they always say कि हमको remix नहीं चाहिए, हमें original song लाके दो. So आप लोगों ने audience की बात सुनी, so thank you for that. Also, since we have this opportunity to have this conversation, I thought let me also ask you guys about your relationship with food. Okay, so
Oh, wow.
so everybody I think is a foodie that I know. Are you guys foodies?
Well, I'm a big foodie, and I think she's also.
I'm also a big foodie, but I
But of course,
control.
we take care of
course.
ourselves now. Given an option, मतलब उधर
See,
पंजाबी है.
being a Punjabi, you can
Meetha to
understand,
khana hi
okay? Because being a Punjabi, it's in our genes that okay, whatever we eat, हमको लगता बहुत जल्दी है. So we really have to control ourselves. Yeah.
पता नहीं कहाँ लगता है, मुझे तो दिखता ही नहीं है इनका.
See, yeah, I'm looking so golu in the videos.
She's looking गोलू, तो बाकी सब तो पता नहीं क्या लग रहे होंगे. अगर ये गोलू है तो हम लोग तो पता नहीं मोलू हैं. नहीं. So ये कैसे लड़कियों का ज़्यादा ही होता है, think too much. But she looks.
No, but yes,
Sexually,
I am foodie too. I
आप
love
foodie
food,
है,
and
but अच्छी लगती है.
especially North Indian food. It's like amazing. You can control it.
पंजाब का खाना
एक
तो
चीज मैंने बहुत खाई थी उस टाइम पे पंजाब में people call it chikki here, we call it gachak.
हाँ गजब.
We call it gachak. So मैंने gachak बहुत खाई थी because that thing you get it only from North India. You don't get it in Mumbai. So मैंने वो बहुत खाया था. Rest everything I was controlling.
एक बार
मैं पूरा बॉक्स खा ली.
कम से कम ऑफर तो करते हैं ना.
और गजक चिक्की से थोड़ी नरम होती है, I think, है ना, बेटर भी होती
Yeah,
है.
because that is only good and movie. Yeah, good and movie. So there's an original taste which you get it only from North India. You don't get it from here. So yeah.
But actually नॉर्थ का खाना, स्पेशली पंजाब का खाना, तो मतलब ऐसे होता है कि मतलब इवन सेट का भी जो मैं खाना खा रहा था वो भी इतना अच्छा था.
हाँ जी.
रोटी खा लो और सब्जी मिल जाती है. I think that is.
It's like everything is fresh there, so you have like different, completely उसका taste different ही आता है वहाँ पे. So yeah, we were shooting in North for 3 days, so imagine हमने कितना खाया होगा.
Also, since you guys are actors, I've read these columns on fitness where people go ahead with different kind of diets that they do in life, like blood group or keto. Is there anything that you guys tried out of these?
इहाना ने बहुत सारे डाइट किए.
नहीं, but I don't follow any specific diet or keto or anything. I don't follow anything, but yes, I do control in quantity and I do control with carbs. So I think you have to really have that balanced diet in your life. Otherwise, you get a lot of weakness. Yes, people follow keto, people do a lot of dieting stuff, but I have never followed that. And yeah, so I'm fitness freak. Yes, I do a lot of yoga. I don't go to gym. I do a lot of yoga and I do my body weight training. So I stick to
इसको
gym.
देख के लगता है कि योगा कितना करती होगी. Because तभी तो इतना she's always smiling and laughing.
Yeah. See, if you do when you do yoga, you get happy food inside.
Oh,
So yeah.
अंदर की बात.
So yeah, I don't follow any specific kind of diet, but yeah, I do take a lot of proteins, a lot of greens, and I do control with my carbs and sweets because I'm a sweet tooth, so I control on that.
And she laughs a lot. So I have never done any diets in my life, and I can never do diets because it doesn't work for me. Again, I just try and create a balance, so that is okay for me.
If laughing could burn calories, Ihana and I would be size 0, right?
Oh, yes, totally.
I'll disappear. I think I'll disappear one day.
के आसपास लोग भी साथ में disappear हो जाएंगे.
So last day Karan was saying is like मेरी cheeks दर्द कर रही हैं, तुम कितना हंसती हो, कितना हंसाती हो, मेरी पूरी cheeks दर्द करने लगी है.
अरे देखो अभी भी ऐसे भरे हुए हैं. 1 महीने बाद भी अभी खटका हुआ है. इतना हंसाया था इस लड़की.
This is the good part. Now tell me the weirdest thing जो आपने कभी खाई हो जिंदगी में, शायद गलती से या शायद consciously.
I had blueberry cheesecake, which was not my cup of tea at all.
Okay.
People have it. It was the weirdest thing I had.
How can someone not like cake? I mean,
Cheese, not the cheesecake.
Yeah, but
the
blueberry
cheesecake. Cheese.
You don't
not
like
the cake.
it?
No,
Okay.
not at all.
Okay.
anything weird that Ihana has
नहीं.
eaten?
I don't think so. मैंने कुछ ऐसा खाया because it's been so many years, I'm very particular with my food, and I normally eat home cooked food because I have the sensitive stomach issue. So I don't eat much from outside. Even on sets, also, my boy travels with me. He cooks himself, and I eat that food. So I don't think so. नहीं मेरे को याद नहीं ऐसा कुछ मैंने
कुछ ऐसा गड़बड़ खा लिया तो भी
कुछ गड़बड़ खा
ब्लूबेरी चीज खा के देखना एक बार, पता चलेगा.
Okay, I'll try that.
Also, a lot of people have this adat of making weird combinations of khana, like fried rice with achar or probably paratha with ketchup. Do you guys also have this kind of weird combinations of food that you like but others don't?
Not as such, itne weird wale. But yeah, I like innovating with food at times if I am doing something. Abhi abrupt wala nahi. So maybe in a roti I could make a patty of a roti with sabzi and have it. Or, I don't like heating my food again and again. So अगर फ्रिज से निकाला है या फिर ठंडा भी खा लेता हूँ कभी. But normal fresh बना है तो I eat. But so stuff like that. I like enjoy the cold food also at times. Like pizza, I love when it is cold also. गरम खा लिया अगर बच गया डाल दिया उसमें अगले दिन have the cold pizza. So but the normal stuff, not too atrangi.
मैंने कुछ weird try किया है. Try नहीं किया. I mean, I still eat it. So I always eat egg bhuji with yogurt, and people go exactly. So people go crazy about that. And say, how can you eat egg with curd? It's not a combination at all.
So egg bhuji, you mix it with curd.
So not mix it. I mean, I obviously put it separately, but yeah, I don't know, I eat egg bhuji with yogurt. So people really go crazy about it. How can somebody eat egg with? It's not healthy. Also, it's not good. You should not mix egg with yogurt, of course. But yeah, that's a weird thing I have in me. So एक weird चीज तो पता चल गया.
That's weirder than paratha and ketchup, by the way. Okay.
अगर कुछ मतलब ट्रेड्स हैं इनके, आज पता लगा मुझे. अब इस पे हम रिसर्च नेक्स्ट शूटिंग पे करेंगे. I have a good one.
Okay, last one, not to depress you all, but hypothetically imagine कि आपको जिंदगी भर सिर्फ एक टाइप का खाना खाना होगा, तो what would you pick on? Indian एक टाइप का मतलब one dish.
यार एक डिश पे कैसे सर्वाइव करेंगे?
अब वही तो है सवाल. करना हो तो
मतलब एक डिश तो फिर मतलब पराठा ही हो गया. मतलब फिर तो रोटी भी आ गई कम से कम, दाल या कुछ सब्जी.
जी good choice.
It won't be that difficult for me because forget about that. So no, it's not that difficult for me because I'm mostly, if I'm in Mumbai, I'm not traveling or shooting or anything. So every day, even my cook goes crazy on it. Every day he cooks the same thing, and every day I'm eating the same thing. I don't get bored of it. So I'm anyway because I think in between for 2 years, almost 2 years, I did the same thing when I was completely, I wanted to lose weight and wanted to become skinny, but then people said it won't look nice on you, you never go skinny. So I mostly, what's my diet is I always eat boiled vegetables, and for protein I always take one dal, and that's it. So I think I had that for almost months and months, and even my cook went mad. He said, "Didi, I'm tired of cooking the same thing every day. Please kuch different try kar lijiye." So for me, it won't be that difficult. I think I can survive. Yeah,
boiled vegetables.
Boiled vegetables. Yeah, I can have that all the time.
Okay, another one. Tell me your favorite restaurant and cuisine.
Restaurant and
cuisine. So I think for a lot of family things that we go out on occasions, like birthday or anything. So we always go to mainland China for kind of having the Chinese, that everybody loves in the family for a change. But otherwise, my favorite cuisine is Indian. But I like, just for taste change, maybe I like Mexican also. I like Italian also. But yeah, I'm a vegetarian. She's also.
No?
Oh no, she's not a vegetarian.
Suddenly hungry. I'm suddenly hungry now. Okay, now Ihana, you tell me your favorite restaurant and cuisine.
My favorite food, I like Thai and I like Italian. So if I'm going out, I will be mostly going to these kind of restaurants. So if we talk about favorite restaurant, if we talk about in Mumbai, I haven't explored much actually. I don't go out much. I'm mostly order.
Next time
but
जाएगी तो मुझे बुला के फिर हम बताएंगे.
फिर हम एक साथ explore करेंगे.
Italian
फिर
चले
आपको
जाएंगे.
बताएंगे.
Okay.
Lovely, lovely. So, all I'm going to say is that thank you for telling me everything that, I asked you about food, but then also coming back to the point that we've met here for your songs promotion and not forgetting the entire thing. Tell me anything that you want to say to our viewers, your fans, subscribers, everybody. What is it that you want to say to them for this song?
So I just would like to tell them that thank you for the love that you've already showered for the video. बहुत सारा प्यार ऑलरेडी मिल रहा है. 24 घंटे में करीबन 8.5 मिलियन व्यूज हो चुके हैं. सो प्लीज इसे देखिए, अपने फैमिली के साथ शेयर करिए, दोस्तों को भेजिए, और बहुत लोग इसे बार-बार भी देख रहे हैं, तो आप भी इसे बार-बार देखिए. And thank you T-Series for giving us this opportunity of doing this amazing song, and Jubin for singing it, Navjeet for directing it, and Ihana for being such a wonderful co-star to work with. So I think the entire combination was a blessing, and iska result hum log dekh rahe hain. So I hope we get to do this again very soon.
And what is it that Ihana wants to say? Because we have a lot of fans. We have interviewed you not very long ago, and I put that interview up, and there's a lot of people who are commenting and viewing. So I'm sure that they want to hear something more from you now.
Yeah, so thank you guys for always giving me so much of love. So you guys really loved Meri Ashiki, and this is another song I'm doing with Zubin. So thank you Zubin for giving me beautiful song again, and thank you T-Series and giving me the opportunity to work with you guys again. So guys, keep on showering your good love all the time. I think I feel blessed because you guys have always loved my work. I keep on getting a lot of comments, and again I get one complaint from my fans all the time. I don't go live much, I don't interact with my fans much, and I think last time also I said the same thing, guys. I'm really gonna try to change that. I'm gonna try to interact with you guys more, gonna come live more, because there are a lot of people who wants to ask me questions personally, and they want to write and they want me to respond to them. So I'm gonna do that again very soon. And thank you so much. And you guys, it's already crossing 8 million, and keep on showering your good love, and we're gonna come back again hopefully soon with one more amazing video. So thank you so much guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining, and all the best. Hoping to see you too soon.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.